Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Airpaz application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the upper right corner and you will find three lines there. Press on them. And here at the bottom half of the list you will find the settings option. Press on that as well. And here you can see the first option being presented to you, the language. You press on it and here you can find all the languages that you can select. Now the list is pretty huge, so more than likely you're going to find the language that you're looking for. The app has a lot of variety in this case, and you just press on the language that you want, and after that you will have to wait a little bit until the app refreshes, and you can see that the language of the app instantly got changed without any problems. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.